Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by placing the file where Google can reach it. Sign into your Google account, go to Drive, and upload the docx now. Once uploaded, right-click the document and choose Open with Google Docs. This preserves layout most of the time. If formatting shifts, install the Office Editing for Docs extension in Chrome. It lets you view Word files more faithfully. This first step gets you editing immediately in a familiar browser environment, so you don't waste time converting back and forth. You now focus on accurate editing and preserving Word formatting. Use Google Docs suggesting mode to mimic Word's track changes and adjust paragraph styles to match the original. Once done, verify headers, footers, tables, and embedded images. Complex layouts need careful inspection. If something breaks, copy the problematic element into a fresh Google Doc. That often fixes styling conflicts. When satisfied, export the file back to docx through File Download Microsoft Word. You finish by making sure the Word document behaves in desktop Word. Download the docx and open it in Microsoft Word to confirm pagination and fonts. If fonts shift, embed fonts in Word or install matching fonts on your system. This preserves layout. Once done, use file version history in Google Docs to revert any mistakes and resave. If the document still looks off, export to PDF as a final proof. PDFs freeze layout, so your recipients see the exact formatting you intended.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.